In this video, you are going to see how to add the row in a table in Microsoft Word document. Here I have a table and I have only two rows. I want to add a row. If I want to add a row, after the first row, click on any of the cell. Click on right button, go to insert, and here you will see the option insert row below. If I click on it, a row will be created under the first row. Let us click on over here, click on right button. If I click on insert row above, then a row will be created above this row. There is another option. If you want to create the row under the first one, just go to over here and from your keyboard hit enter, then a row will be created. If you want to create multiple rows, select the multiple row, click on right button, go to insert, click on insert row below, and this is the way. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.